Today, we are going to learn and play letters. Oh, what letter is this, friend?
A J.
Where is the J?
Yeah.
Is this a letter J?
Yeah.
Is this a letter J?
No.
No. Where is the J? We need to find J. Is this a letter J, friend? Is this a letter J?
No.
No, where is the letter J? We need to find the J. Can you help us, friend? Thank you. Thank you. We need to find the J. We found the J. What is this? Yay! We found the J. Is this, can you say put it on, put it on, put it on? Is this like this? No. Is this like this? No. It's like this. J, good job. Thank you, friend. Thank you. Which one is the letter A? Good job. A says apple. Alligator. What letter is this, friend? X. X. We need to find the X. Is this letter X?
No.
No. We need to find the X. Oh, you found it, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Is this like this? Is this like this, baby? No. Is this like this? Yes. Yes. We found the X. X says X, 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 box. X. Exit. Taxi. X. X. Good. Letter is this? We need to find, is this for here? K. This is letter K. We need to find the letter K. Is this a letter K? No. Where is the letter K, friend? We need help. Where is the letter K? Is this a letter K?
Yeah.
Is this a letter K?
No.
No. No, friend. This is not a letter K. Come on. Let's find the letter K. Where's the letter K? Oh, we found it, friend. We found the letter K. Look, friend. We found the letter K. Good job. We found the letter K. What letter is this, baby?
K.
K. Which one is the letter M, friend? Is this a letter M? Or this is the letter M? Where is the letter M? Good job! That is a letter M. M says monkey. Milk. Milk. Good job. Which one is the letter D? Is this a letter D or this is a letter D? D. D. Good job. Good job, friend. We found the letter D. D says D. 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 Good job. Daddy. Dino. Dog. D says D. So what is the letter is this, friend? A Z. Z says Z. Like a B. Can you buzz like a B? Z. B. Z. Which one is the letter B? Can you say, Mama, the letter B? Oh, good job. B. 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 baby. Oh, what letter is this, friend? Can you tell us? F, 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 fish. Which one is the letter X? Good job. Which one is the letter A? Good job. P. P. Where is the P? P in Z. Z. Z says Z. Z. S. S. S says S. S. X says X. 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 N says N. U says U. C says K. C. E. E says E. G. G says G. G. E, F, G. H. H says H. K. K says K. D says D. D. I says I. L says L. R says R. J says J. B says B. M says M. Q says Q. A says A. F says F. T says T. O says O. V says V. Y says Y. W says W. Good job! We did it! Then we sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! What shape is this? It's a circle. Circle. Is this a circle? No. Is this a circle? No. Oh yes, you found a circle. Can you say in? Circle in. Good job. Next. What shape is this? It's a square. Square. What shape is this? Square. Square starts from the letter S. S. S says square. Push square in. Shake, shake, egg. Good job. Push. Push. Good job. Next, what shape is this? It's a star. What color is the star? It's a yellow. Is this a star? No. Is this a star? Yes. Can you say push, push, push star? Good job. Next, what shape is this? It's triangle. Triangle. What is the color of the triangle? It's a purple. Oh, same triangle too. Good job. Is this a triangle? No. Can you shake head? No. Is this a triangle? Yes. Can you say push, push? Good job. Can we count the shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. What shape is this again? Rectangle. Star. Circle. And triangle. Can you say triangle? Good job. What's that? What's that? Elephant. What does the snake say? F. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream, scream. Good job. Can you? What does a monkey say? Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. One more. You have one more here. What's that? Good job.